Hi everyone, and welcome to the final week of your BSN journey here at McKendree University. This is such an exciting time of year, as I'm sure many of you will hopefully be attending the ceremony. And if you can't, be looking for your diploma in the mail. That's always an exciting time. So I wanted to just wrap up a few things for Module 8. All of you have submitted your paper, so I will be grading those this week. You will probably have a grade by Thursday of this week, maybe Friday, depending upon how lengthy the papers are. So I just want to make sure that I have time to pay particular attention to everybody's work and not rush through things. So by Thursday or Friday, you should have a grade from me. The Share It presentation is due tonight. This is due in the discussion board as well as in the assignment tab. So if you go up to the assignment Dropbox and you click on that, we'll spend a little time here. So this is where you're going to submit your Share It presentation as an assignment. And then of course in the discussion board, you're going to submit there as well. So remember that when you do the Share It presentation, it only needs to be 5 to 10 minutes in length. You can use a Screencast-O-Matic. You can directly upload, and if you have a YouTube account and you do YouTube videos, you can directly do a video that way. Once you have your video captured, whether it be on your phone or Screencast or whatever platform you use, just go ahead and upload that into YouTube. When you do that, YouTube will give you a code, all right, like a URL link. So you're going to copy that, copy and paste that, and copy and paste it into your Share It presentation Dropbox here, as well as the Week 8 discussion board tab. Then, if you just copy and paste, then what your peers will do then is copy and paste that into their browser, and your video should pop right up. Remember not to make your videos private, otherwise we won't be able to see them. And then once you have done the Share It presentation, uploading all of that, I need for you to respond to at least 2 peers' Share It presentation videos. So you'll watch their video. You don't have to watch everybody's, just pick 2. If you want to watch everyone's, that would be great. But I know this is a shortened week, so you have just a little bit of time. You can just pick 2 of them, look and see what's going on the discussion board. If you see that everyone is responding to 1 or 2 people's, go into somebody else's video and take a look at their video. You know, let's just try to make sure we're kind of spreading the wealth a little bit. So you'll find that link, you copy and paste that, watch the video, and then go back into the discussion board and then write your response post. You do not need to do any kind of references for this discussion board post. So the Share It presentation again is due tonight by midnight on Monday night. And then same thing with the discussion board, that initial post is due tonight. So when you upload it to this tab here, go ahead and just upload it into the discussion board as well. Again, do not do the full video. We just want that YouTube link, okay? Otherwise, Blackboard will crash and I will get a really not so nice email from IT, and I don't want that to happen. So anyway, if you have questions about that, don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. So the next item of business is make sure that you are submitting your practicum log and preceptor evaluation forms. Some of your preceptors have faxed me or emailed me the forms, and that's great. So I take that and I basically put all that together once I have all your forms. And what I do then, that practicum log, I will go back and look at your journal entries. So make sure that you have journal entries for each day that you were at practicum. So again, I need those forms. Now these forms do not have an actual grade attached. You'll see a 0 in the grade book, and that shows that I've reviewed your forms and that they've been accepted. So keep that in mind, that there's not a grade, a number grade that you'll see. You'll just see a 0. But that doesn't mean you failed. It just means that I reviewed it and have accepted your forms. So then again, make sure your journals are up to, that you have the journals entry in there. I will be grading those as well. So your practicum hour sheet, the practicum log, okay, same thing, preceptor evaluation and student evaluation. So if I did not get an evaluation from your preceptor and they have not given it to you to upload, I will reach out to you this week and let you know that I just need to have that from them. It's not a big deal for them to complete it. And like I said, they can either email it or fax it to me. Either way is fine. So then the last couple of items of business are the surveys. The graduate exit survey, you need to complete this. Try to have it completed by today. I cannot release, if you can't do it today, that's fine. Just sometime in the next couple of days, but I cannot release your grades until this is completed. So that's why they have the completion date of today, to have it done. So that way then once I get all my grading done, then I can submit your grade to the university. If this graduate exit survey is not completed, I'm not allowed to post your grades until it is completed. So please do that. Then when you're finished with that, and this graduate exit survey, this is about the entire experience that you've had with the RN BSN program. So it's not course specific, but it's program specific. Okay, this is just the way that we can improve our program, see what we're doing right, what we need to work on. Your interview application process, your application process, from the very beginning of your journey all the way through to like registering for classes, applying for graduation, that kind of thing. So that's what's detailed in this survey. So please make sure that you answer that. Then another survey is here at the course evaluation. So you click on that tab, and I won't open it because it goes into like the instructor's view. I can show you, but I won't. You have to sign in with your credentials. It's just your username and then your password that you've set up. And then you're going to go under, so under your courses, it's your My Registered Courses. Okay, so you'll click on that tab, and then it will pop up the courses that you are enrolled in, and you click this course, which is 472, and then you complete that evaluation. So if you can complete that as well before the end of this course, that would be very helpful. So I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to review with you. It has been a pleasure working with all of you in this course. I know it was more of a challenging course because you had practicum hours and, really like time away from your family and friends and things that you want to do, but just realize that this is your last course that you have to take in the RN to BSN, and you graduate, and you'll have all summer then to kind of kick back, relax, and recharge your batteries. So it's been a pleasure, and I wish all of you many wonderful things in your future. Thank you so much.